boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Bread and Butter Shogun unboxing. It is time. I am so excited. We've got some sweet packaging going on here. It's always nice to spend money. Well, to get what you pay for. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh. Let's see what she's in. Ooh, okay, good looking. Little package. Do not disturb. What? Alright, thanks Bread and Butter. Got two. That's what's up. God, these are sick. Fantastic. Koozie. Let's get in there. Let's see what we have here. Oh, that's slick. Dude, that's so cool. Thank you guys. Sweet little stickers. Oh yeah, that's happening. Oh, thank you. Our paddles, your spin. Let's go, baby. It's time. Alright, let's see what she's got. God, this packaging is so cool. Let's take a moment. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to Google Translate that bad boy. Oh hell, we can go Google Translate now. Sweet. So I found out about this paddle and got super excited with the carbon and titanium. Pull that sucker out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's filthy. Oh, that's sick. So you can't quite see that texture on the images online. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh man, I'm so excited. Wow, great job, Bread and Butter. Thank you guys. This is wonderful. I did become a member of the affiliate program. I'm super excited to be with a company that's smaller and not one of these giant monsters that can just mass produce junk. Yeah, so if you want to get save 15% off, use JD15 at checkout. It drops this paddle to about 160 bucks. And we'll see how she plays. And I will definitely be letting you guys know what the deal is. Thanks for watching.